What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I thought I would make this video for you guys that are having trouble with Craigslist and CPA marketing. So, like I've always said when it comes to doing Craigslist, the easiest way to make money on this website is to promote offers that people actually want on this platform. So, what a lot of people try to do is go against the grain, right? So, Craigslist does not want you to promote making money online opportunities and stuff like that, and that will make you a crap ton of money on Craigslist. So if you can get your ad up on Craigslist and the making money online niche, you are guaranteed to make thousands of dollars. Like that's it. It's literally just getting it up there. But then it won't stay up there long because then you got your person over here that goes to Craigslist. They see the make money online post. They go through it like, oh, this is a scam because dude said I can make $1,000 in a week. So they flag it. Then Craigslist shuts you down, and boom, you don't make any money, right? Or your money is cut off right then and there. Then you have to go and create another ad and 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 another ad, and so on and so on and so on. This will be a cat and mouse game forever. You will never be able to just simply put up a making money online opportunity on Craigslist, at least not these days. Put it up there and just forget about it and walk away. Like that doesn't really work anymore. These days, again, you have to fight the system. Now, what if you just went with something that they actually wanted? So this person right here would be happy and they would never flag your post. And your commission will be much higher and your conversion rate will be like 30% low end, depending on which company you're going with or whatever. So what you want to do is not go to a CPA network. You want to go to local businesses, or just any business in general. It doesn't have to be local to you or anything. But you want to go to businesses and basically pitch them like, hey, you need workers, I can get you workers. Or hey, you need an apartment filled, I can fill an apartment. Like, I'm telling you guys, Craigslist is a gold mine. Even with CPA marketing, when you go to offers that are doing that are on CPA networks. But when you do it this way, when I tell you the money you can make is ridiculous. Low end $1,000 every week, and that's low end. And a lot of people are just not using Craigslist. Oh, it's dead, it's outdated, yada yada yada. A lot of people, think that or whatnot, so they just don't put ads up there. So if you go to a company, like, hey, I'll promote you, whatever. You don't even have to say Craigslist. Like, hey, I'll promote you, and anytime I fill a room, I get $500. Or anytime I get you a worker, I get $500,000, or however much money you want to charge. Just for getting them a worker, for filling a house, or filling an apartment, or whatever. Right? Basically, just getting them a tenant. What I'm trying to say there. And you can do this all day long. Like some of these websites, that are newer, they already got a website and they got an affiliate program like that. So you don't have to go through the whole process of trying to convince them, or they got an affiliate program right there. Boom, you just sign up and you're good to go, right? Then once you start building up some rapport, you can show people like, hey, I've done this for this company, I've done this for this company, I built the website for this one, I did this, and this and that. Then you're going to be able to branch out and get even more clients. And this is another one of those things where it's just solely a numbers game, and that's it. Like, I'm actually putting together another little course section inside the V2 course or whatnot, agency training. So basically, this is going to go over everything that I've been doing for a while now with the whole agency stuff. We're going to go over being traffic, like how to go out and get clients, the whole 9 yards. So everything is going to be in here for the agency training. Now, this is only going to be for my people that paid full price. I'm going to just be 100% because you guys know me. I hate when people, course creators, go out and create a course and then they'll put it on sale. And then the people who paid full price just is like, oh, well, fuck them, because the person got access to everything that they got access to for half the price. I always hated that. So whenever I put a 50% or whatever percentage that I give off on a course or whatnot, I'll give them access to everything at that point. But then in the future, I'll create something for my people that solely pay full price just because, I always hated that shit. So now it's like, hey, I paid full price, so I'm getting something that the other people didn't get that paid half of it, or pay or you got the people that will go and take years of training that they charge hundreds of thousands of dollars for. Like you have a course for 5,000, course for 10,000, course for 1,000, and they'll bundle it up and give it away for $97. And you just and if you're that person that paid 5,000, 3,000, and 1,000, you bought each course faithfully, you're gonna be a little pissed that somebody else bought it for $97. Even though the information is good and you might have used it to make more money, it's not gonna stop it from stinging a little bit, But anyway, guys, that's what all I wanted to say here. I'm telling you, if you have not been using Craigslist, it is a gold mine right now. You can just start going to Google, looking up businesses, contacting them like, hey, I see that you need workers, or again, you can even do the website method. Like you can really go really into this. You can end up creating their logo, then create the website. Then on top of that, you get a copy of all of the leads. Then on top of that, you get paid for every single lead that converts into a worker. So that's what I'm doing with the whole Amazon stuff that I've been telling you guys about or whatnot. But stupid easy money to be made, guys. I mean, stupid easy. And like I said, when it comes to, you can do the tenant stuff as well. I got one that I'm working with right now. They're paying $500 for every single person that that you get them a tenant for or whatever. Not bad. Some people are, oh, well, that's low and this and that. But for me, I don't care because it's on autopilot. Once you set your ad up, you're done. You pay $10 for an ad, and if you get one conversion, you just 50x. Does it matter? Does it really matter? No, you spent $10 and you just keep doing that over and over and over and over and over again. So anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. Thought I would give you an update on how everything was going, as well as let you guys know to stop sleeping on Craigslist if you're sleeping on Craigslist. And that's pretty much it. We're also going to be doing, in this right here, I'm also going to do an adult agency as well, because telling you guys, if you've been sleeping on the adult methods too, and the cash app method, like I said, there's just so much money to be made out here. That's pretty much it. I'm going to end up going into a whole little rant, and all that stuff. But again, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.